Namaste. In the last video, we discussed what is bank and how does it functions. Uh, to recap in short, bank is an financial institution which collects deposits and pays out interest and lends loans and advances and collects interest. Here, on deposit, whatever bank pays, which is a expenses. Here, whatever collects on advances and loans, which are known as incomes. Now, here, deposits are also known as liabilities, and loans and advances are also known as assets. That's what we discussed later, sources of funds and application of funds. Then we discussed schedule cooperative bank and schedule commercial bank, which is known as types of banks. These are the two types of banks, major types. Under major types we have subdivisions. In today's video we'll focus on this part, which we can easily or briefly can say income part. Okay, now, yeah, income, it will generate through lending, loans and advances. Now, let's say financial year 25-26, from when it starts from 1st April 25 to 31st March 26. Now let's say income, there are two categories here. First category, income earned but not due, but due in the current year. This is first category. And second category, income due but, sorry, we can say here income collected, here income due but not yet received. These are the two major phenomena. Let's discuss one by one. Now, this is the financial year from 1st April to 1st April 2025 to 31st March 2026. Let's say in the month of January, we discounted a bill, which will mature on June 30, which means 1st January we discounted a bill which maturity date is June 30. January, February and March, 3 months are the current year income. But March, April, May and June, this 3 month is after the financial year. Income after the financial year. But we received this income, which is advance income, which is known as rebate. Rebate. Is that clear? Then we'll take same timeline. Let's say 1st January 2026 was the due date. And customer needs to pay on this date what? interest. Interest, but customer failed to pay on due date. Then how to record this kind of income? Now here in this case, income income earned. Yes or no? According to accrual concept, we have to record this as outstanding receivables. Receivables, which is known as, which will be classified under current asset. Now, now concentrate here carefully. Now, customer 1, C1, customer 1, default, which means on due date he will not pay principal as well as interest, which we record under accrual concept that we earn the income, right? We earn the income. Therefore, on the same day, we will consider it as outstanding receivables and we record under current assets. Here, in one hand, customer is defaulted to pay us, but we are showcasing the same as current assets. In the financial statements, we not yet received income, but current assets are influenced by this treatment. Yes or no? Therefore, we provide for the same provisions. These are the small informative video on when we need to create provisions as well as how do we treat advance income which we have received which belongs to next financial year. This is known as a rebate on bills discount, and this for this we need to create provisions. In the next video we'll start one by one. First we'll complete provisions, then we'll move to rebate on bills discounting.